Yeah, let me recap everything I did last week. We were talking about we did so well, because we filmed the last one, in the middle of the day, and we weren't really sure. I'll show you what day we filmed the last one on. It ended up being, September 7th, this day right here, or maybe the 8th, whatever it was, right when the market began to pull back. We were filming midday, and I was like, listen, I'm taking profit in these winners. I don't know if it's the right move or it's not the right move. You can only, deal with the information you have at hand. And it really, really paid off really well. So I'll go over all the pain I avoided. I got an Apple September 7th, or September 8th it was. So it was this day right here I got out. This SE. Some of these are just a little lucky too,
Mm-hmm.
But I got out that one, the SE September 8th. On that turnaround, or September 8th right here. Airbnb, this one still looks pretty good, but I took it off into strength here. This September 8th day, we were long from down here, this 152 area. DraftKings. I still think these names go higher, but if I'm trading for income on a short-term basis, I got to take the profit off on the table. So I got out of this one on this day. IART, avoided a shitload of pain in this one.
I was going to ask you, you know about IART, because that was we were selling were you selling 76-ish?
76 on September 8th. And I don't know if it's the right move, and then now it's down at 69. What else? This DoorDash, I got out of this one, but this one still looks good. This is the one I probably shouldn't have gotten out of, but I'm not mad at all that I did. Judging by everything else I did. DoorDash was not DoorDash. Bumble was another one. Avoided some pain here, getting out in this day. So I avoided a lot of pain by getting out when I did, and then not going back to the well too quickly, because there were a couple times it looked like these names were going to pivot. I was like, I'm done with them for now until we see something a real turnaround out of the market, and it ended up really saving me a lot of cash. So I was really happy I did all that last week, and I haven't done a thing since. And I'm so mentally ready for when it is time, versus being all fucked up in the head because I overtraded the past week when it was really tough.
Couldn't agree more. I think the one thing I know, again, for some of my trades and talk with a bunch of the members, where it's like there's been this disconnect where it's like when you have those big winners, it's like they're trying to find the reason to get out of those, where really it's like the ones that have been working, it's like you want to stick with them. Where the ones that are just they're just trades that, and again, for the most I'm going to go through, it's like there were a bunch of trades I put on that I was willing to give them, 2 or 3 or 4% worth of risk. And by the next day, it's like I can get out of these things, kind of break even or lose as little as possible, when it's more than likely going to just come back to my price anyways. Like those are the ones I'm going to be willing to change the game plan and take my money back. Where the ones that have worked, maybe I might move a stop a little bit, but I'm not going to try to overly complicate the one that has been working. So that's kind of the overarching message for.
And that all comes to experience and account management and all things like that just take time to develop. Of all right, I just got in this one, the market's probably pulling back. I don't want to sell all my winner just yet, and for this new trade that hasn't broken out when the market's been so strong. So I definitely agree with you on that front.